I absolutely love nature, guys. What's going on, Pete? Woods of New Hampshire. You know me, I love to hike. And if you don't, well, now you know I love to hike. Hike, be in the woods, hug trees. Whatever works. Oh, I'm stuck. Let me go. There you go for safety. Stay on the marked trail. Come on, Buggy. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna get this around this puddle we got. Okay. We're gonna go up and over, and hope we don't fall and bust our yang. Woohoo, peeps, we did it. What's going on, peeps? Check it out. Got my backpack with all my goodies. Dang. That booted up. We're just kidding. This one's not gonna be in any videos. This is just for me. Cause I love me. I mean, then again, it might. Who knows? Who be knowing? I don't know. I don't know. Stay between the navigational lines. I mean, trees. Check that out, peeps. Here we go again. Pass. If I put all of these videos together, this is gonna be amazing. Look at them roots. That's how strong you need to be. Root yourself in. Root yourself in. Be as strong as them trees. It's beautiful. It rained all night last night, which was amazing. Had my window open, my fan on. It cooled down, but it was very pleasant, and I enjoyed it. I know this video is gonna be very bumpy, and it's because I got my stick, and well, it's just a bumpy trail up and down, up and down. Hence, that's a message. Sometimes in life, your path will get bumpy, up and down, and you just have to stay the course. Staying the course is what matters. Sometimes, in order to go forward, we have to balance ourselves in a straight line and one foot in front of the other until we get across the rough waters and make it to our destination. Sometimes on our path, it becomes an uphill struggle, battle. Don't give up. Don't give in. Stay focused. Because you got this, peeps. And when you reach the top, it'll always be worth it. Always. And when sometimes you think you're lost, Creator will help you find your way. Which way do I go? We can go left, we can go right, or we can go straight up. When you're at a crossroads, use your intuition. Me, looks easy, not so easy. That's the way I'm going. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're at the creek. We made it. So, just for you outdoorsy people going camping, hunting, whatever, I took, I think it was cinnamon, oil, tea tree, lemon, and lavender. And I put 20 drops of each into a spray bottle of water. I put 3/4 water in, and I shook it up, and I sprayed my shoes, sprayed my from here down leggings, just to be safe with the whole tick epidemic. I decided to be safe than sorry. But this is the view, peeps. I absolutely love the babbling brooks. It's although these mosquitoes don't seem to be bothered one bit by this. Lord, please don't let me fall in. Wait, how is this one? No, that's too high. Ooh. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. We went in. That's okay. We can wash these. We can wash these. And when I come back, I might just step in the creek so I don't have to throw them in the washer. I don't know. I've been feeling like I need to get out in nature. I'm a Virgo, So I need to be able to touch the trees and share the love and let nature help me to ground myself and stay rooted. So if you're feeling like you just can't wrap your head around stuff, or foggy, brain fog, disconnected, get out into nature, hug a tree. It's good for you. It's good for your soul. And in these times, we need to stay connected to the earth with all the political dismay going on. It's horrible. But that don't mean you have to feed in it or be part of it. You can always detach from that and attach to Mother Earth, Gaia. And that's what we need. And I love that. I love the sound. I love nature. Butterflies, flies, all of the above. It moves something in my soul. Makes me feel amazing. And I'm never afraid. People are like, are you afraid? Aren't you afraid? Afraid of what? You should be more afraid walking into public places than you should ever be in nature. And if you're in nature and you have pure intentions and a pure heart, ancestors, your guides, the universe will protect you. They'll keep you safe. Not to say things don't happen, but then there's something to be learned from that. Look at these roots. Stay rooted, peeps. Stay rooted. Don't forget where you come from. And don't be afraid to break down those walls, those man-made walls. I don't know if you guys can see, but all the way down it's a wall. That way too. Don't be afraid to. I should have sprayed my whole self. Jeez. Not just my legs. That's all right. Lesson learned. Next time. But I just wanted to include you guys on my walk today. My little trail hike. This is really close to my house. Easy to get to. Good exercise. Getting out in nature. Close to home, but far enough away where I can love nature and nature can love me. Remember, love goes both ways. So, don't be afraid to felt itchy. Look at the bee, guys. Can you see him? don't know if you can see him, but he's there. Yes, I find it all intriguing. It's like meeting a long lost relative. So, on that note, I want to say I love you and stay blessed.